Hello friends, welcome to ELS English Literature Studies with Kaur Harpreet. Today we'll discuss three types of humor in As You Like It, right? One of the most prominent and exciting feature of As You Like It is the threefold manner in which Shakespeare presents humor. Shakespeare has presented the word humor in different sense. Today I'm going to discuss three clearly distinct formed wits in this play. So let's get started. As You Like it is not a comedy of actions but a comedy of dialogues. We observe that play is full of engaging conversations which are significant in revealing the characters of the play. All the main characters, Duke Senior, Rosalind, Celia, Orlando, Oliver, Touchstone, Jacques, all the characters reveal their character through the words they themselves speak or others speak about them. Right? And friends, if you are new on my channel, please hit the bell button so that you can get notifications from my upcoming videos. And if you want these notes in written form, you can mail me. Address will be given in the description box if you want these notes in written form. Let me know through the email, right? So I was talking about three types of humor in As You Like It. In As You Like It, distinct types of humor uh, is represented by different characters, right? By the character of Rosalind, we are introduced to the healthy type of humor. Next character is Touchstone, who represents the professional humor, and then we have Jacques humor also, right? First of all, I would like to discuss Rosalind with her healthy and sprightly humor, right? Rosalind, her humor is gentle, sympathetic, and radiant. She is full of fun and vitality. Her humor is sparkling as it is free from bitterness. When she laughs with the full heart. Whether she talks to Touchstone, Orlando, Celia, she displays some sparkling wit and humor, right? She represents natural and healthy type of humor. By natural, I mean that it is spontaneous and unsophisticated humor. She responds to life naturally. She displays some sparkling wit and humor. Along with all these qualities, she is full of fun, vitality, and delight in every form of sport, right? In As You Like It, we find Rosalind, we find her laughing over a secret joke with Celia, where she teases Orlando. She laughs out her sadness and plays out her seriousness. This is her best quality, right? Um, we can say that the healthiest atmosphere of the forest become healthier with her flashes of wit and humor, right? But her humor does not it gives no harm to anyone, right? She never allows herself to forget that she is a woman, though in boy's disguise. Second is the professional yet bitterless humor of Touchstone. When we talk about Touchstone's humor is the humor of a professional fool whose habit we can say whose habit is to speak out for effect and nothing for truth, right? uh, like all court fools, Touchstone has the privilege to mock at everything and provide people with food for laughter. He has to draw fun from such various topics as courtiers' oaths, the tides of time, and the freaks of fortune. But his humor has no spontaneity, as we find in Rosalind's humor. Still, we relish his innocent foolery. Touchstone is a rich source of comedy, and his humor is at its height in his parody of love itself. Uh, uh, as a professional fool, Touchstone has his own privileges. He has the right to attack everything. He has right to attack everything and everybody. The professional wit of Touchstone does not possess that quality of spontaneity that we find as natural in Rosalind's natural wit, right? Next is Jacques. Jacques' cynic humor of melancholy. Friends, it is difficult to define the humor of Jacques because Jacques is a person who has a critical approach towards life, right? He is more philosophical than others and he goes on ridiculing everyone. He assumed the character of super intellectual. He has the pose of superiority. Yet in the play, nobody takes him seriously, or nobody takes his seriousness with respect. Nor does anybody laugh at his humor, for it is a morbid. He is a melancholic fellow, and we can say that if I'm not wrong if I call him as a pseudo philosopher, and his reflections on human life and human nature are not in earnest. He is out and out a pessimist who remains unaffected by the happy union of lovers who are united in matrimony. Jacques, he is shunned by every character in the play, and nobody sympathizes with him, right? His humor, we can say, his humor makes him more and more dissatisfied with life. Undoubtedly, some of his observations are full of point, and it has some interesting thing to discuss. But, but on the contrary, Jacques' humor has made him a pessimist and almost a cynic, right? If Rosalind's humor is a tribute to her delightful nature, and Touchstone's humor is a tribute to his professional office, Jacques' humor is a tribute only to himself. Absurdity of preferring forest to court life is exposed by this character, Jacques. Absurdity of Orlando in posing to be an ardent lover is exposed by Touchstone and Rosalind, right? The artificiality of court manners is exposed by Corinne. The superior pose of Jacques is exposed by Rosalind. So we have a humor in As You Like It, which is not satirical, and through Rosalind, Touchstone, and Jacques, we have the humor of these three types, right? So this is about today's topic. I hope you will like the content, and if you like it, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the bell button so that you can get notifications from my upcoming videos. And if you want all these notes in written form, then please mail me on the address given in the description box. Thanks a lot for watching.